Why would you buy a used house? I mean, you never know what you're going to get. Even the best inspector never finds everything. Like pet dander in your air vents, like moisture that builds up in your insulation, causing mold and fungus. What about what's fermenting in the basement or crawl space? And the viruses that could be dormant in your air ducts. How much money do you think it'll take to upgrade this kitchen? Let's not talk about the inconvenience. And then you do it and it doesn't turn out so great. Oh, you forgot the bugs that find their way into your home through small crevices, especially into poorly insulated homes. Did you know they walk on your kitchen counter and get on your food? And you're about to buy all those hidden problems. Like everything that's accumulated in those vents. Like viruses, dust mites, mold, fungus. What about those musty, awful smells? Where do you think they're coming from? Did you ever experience a home that has areas that are really hot or some areas that are really cold? Did you know that unclean air and uneven temperatures can make you and your loved ones really sick? What about undetected water accumulation? Did you know that it causes the soil to shift? And it tends to cause cracks in your foundation that get worse over time. These things tend to make your home depreciate in value. And it costs you money to fix. Now let me ask you, would you buy used stinky sneakers? I don't think so. So why buy a used house? At Meritage Homes, we have beautiful, brand new homes that no one's ever lived in. They're energy efficient homes, smart homes, upgrades are included, 60-day closing guarantee, and builder incentives. We have 21 communities from Clarksville all the way to Rockville and everything in between. Oh, did I mention 4.99% on most homes? Yep, 4.99% interest rate. So give me a call today.